Now we are going to learn how to represent rational numbers on a number line. In a rational number, the denominator tells the number of equal parts into which the first unit has been divided, and the numerator tells how many of these parts are considered. For example, a rational number 2 by 3. How will you represent 2 by 3? This means that 2 out of 3 parts on the right side of 0 in a number line. If you draw a number line and 2 by 3, it is less than 1, so it will be between 0 and 1. First point you take 0, and up to 1 it is considered as 1 unit. This 1 unit, it will be divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. When it comes to 3, it is 1. And the first part, we are considering 2 parts out of 3. This will be the first part and this will be the second part. First part can be written as 1 by 3. This means out of this 1, 2, 3, it is 1 part, and this is 2 parts, so here you can take 2 by 3. This 2 by 3. This point represents a rational number 2 by 3. Let us consider negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers will be on the left of 0. For example, if I write minus 5 by 7, this is a negative rational number. Negative rational numbers. This means 5 out of 7 equal parts on the left of 0. 5 out of 7 equal parts on the left side of 0. We will draw a number line. Let us say this is a number line. Since it is the left side of 0, minus number, negative numbers, they are left side of 0. You take 0 to the right and 7 equal parts. You mark 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now when it comes to 7, this one will be 1. This 1 unit, it is divided into 7 equal parts. The first part will be minus 1 by 7. Second part will be minus 2 by 7. Third will be minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 6 by 7. When it comes to minus 7 by 7, minus 7 divided by 7, it is minus 1. So minus 5 by 7, this point, it represents minus 5 by 7. In this way, we represent rational numbers on a number line. Again, we are going to see how to find out rational numbers. How to find out rational numbers between two rational numbers. There are countless or infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. How to find out rational numbers? There are countless rational numbers between two rational numbers. And how to find out these rational numbers between two rational numbers? For example, 2 by 10. Find a rational number between 2 by 10 and 4 by 10. Now 2 by 10 and 4 by 10. How will you find out rational numbers between these two rational numbers? Between 2 by 10, 2 and 4, there is 3. It will be 3 by 10. Between 2 by 10 and 4 by 10, there is 3 by 10, one rational numbers between 2 by 10 and 4 by 10. But there are infinite, countless infinite rational numbers between these two. 2 by 10 it is same as, it can be also be written as 20 by 100. 2 by 10 it is same as 20 by 100, equivalent fraction. Multiply numerator and denominator by 10. In the same way, 4 by 10, we will multiply by numerator and denominator by 10 to get equivalent fraction. So 4 into 10 is 40, and 10 into 10 is 100. As I said, 2 by 10 it is equal to 20 by 100, and 4 by 10 it is equal to 40 by 100. Between these there will be 20, 21 by 100, 22 by 100, 23 by 100, and so on up to 39 by 100. In this way we can find out countless rational numbers between two rational numbers. Again, another example. Find 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. To find the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, convert them into like rational numbers. Like rational numbers means 4 and 2. The denominators will be same. 1 by 4, LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So to get the denominators, 1 by 4, you will multiply with numerator and denominator with 1. 1 by 4. And 1 by 2, you will multiply with, to get the denominator. To make 2 4, you multiply with 2. So you'll get 2 by 4. 1 by 4, it is same as 1 by 4, and 1 by 2, it is same as 2 by 4. But between this 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, there is no rational number. We are going to find out 10 rational numbers between these. Again, you can, to get equivalent fraction, you will multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Let's multiply with 3. 1 into 2. Sorry, we'll multiply with 2, then 8. You'll get 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is same as 1 by 4. Here, you'll get 4 by 8. But between 2 and 4, there is only 1. So you have to keep on increasing. Again, multiply by 2. You'll get 4 by 16. Here, you'll get 8 by 16. Between these 4 and 8, there is only 3 numbers. We are going to find out 10 rational numbers. So you keep on multiplying. 2 into 4, 8, 6 into 16 into 2 is 32. Again, here 16 by 32. Between 8 8 and 16. There is only 7 numbers, so you should get 10. Again multiply with 2. 16 by 64. Here we'll get 32 by 64. Now between 32 and 16 there are 15 numbers. So the 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 will be, it says 16 by 64. 16 by 64 is same as 1 by 4. Between these 16 and 64, 16 by 64 and 32 by 64, there will be more than 10. You can take 17 by 64, 18 by 64, 19 by 64, 20 by 64, 21 by 64, 22 by 64, 23 by 64, 24 by 64, 25 by 64, 26 by 64, 27 by 64, up to 31 you can write. Now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 26 by 64 you can take. These are 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. In this way you can find out infinite, countless or infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. Another example, find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. When we are going to find out a rational number means only one rational number is between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. What you have to do is you can find the mean. What do you mean by mean? Mean, we also call it average. For example, find the mean of 2 and 4. 2 and 4. What is the midway between 2 and 4? To find the mean, you add the two numbers and divide it by 2. 6 by 2, you get 3. So the mean of 2 and 4, mean of 2 and 4, it is 3. 3 is the midway between 2 and 4. This is called mean. In the same way, to find a rational number, one rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, you can apply mean. Mean of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Now 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 will be LCM, it is 4, 1 plus 2, 2 are 4, 1 2 are 2 divided by 2. 3 by 4 divided by 2. 3 by 4, division of fractions. 3 by 4, to divide fractions, change division into multiplication and multiply by the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Now you'll get 3 by 4. between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, the midway between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, it is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is a rational number, one rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2.